my splitter from UPS. So I'm about to do it right now, man. Finally, that thing came out. I've been waiting over like a month or two for it. But it's shipped from China, so I've been waiting quite a while for it. So finally, that thing came in, man. Super excited. So that's what I'm about to go do now. Alright, y'all, man. So it finally came in, man. Package one came in. I think it's a 3-piece splitter for my charger. So I'll probably put it on later. If not, definitely tomorrow. So pretty excited, glad it came in. So yeah, man. Also, this head came in. This is my stabilizer, so I could screw it at the bottom, so I could take all kind of different pictures now, also in videos. Somebody's supposed to pick up these rounds. They come in to pick them up today. You see, it was on his way. I'm selling for like 600. So he said he's on the way now to come pick them up. I don't know why I bought them in the first place. I thought they really looked nice on the charger, but I like my other ones better. And these 22s, by the way. So I decided to keep my other ones and just sell these. So that's that. Thing really tight that way, pretty nice. All kind of fucking. So man, just like I said, man, it's a 3-piece splitter. It's 1 piece, 2 piece, and a 3rd piece right here. So I'll probably put on, I'll put it on tomorrow because I have to go to work. 3 o'clock is now 1 o'clock, so we'll left at 1. So I'm gonna probably try to put it on tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow. So it'll be a little easier. And yeah, man. I think there's so many blue cut on there, so I'm about to go down there and see what's up. What's going on, man? All right. Good, man. Yeah. You wanna go upstairs, man?
Yeah.
Just got everything up there, the balcony and shit.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, this one right here. Go ahead, put a new tile for it. First tile, yeah. And the caps, you might get the caps for it. Yeah, do a good job. You got all in this side and everything. You got all that shit. Everything. That's just the fucking people. Yeah, particular wheel. Yeah. Yeah.
Now mine's I got a regular RT. They gotta go straight on that too, huh?
Or 5.7?
Yeah.
Shit, it should be good.
Yeah. I know some RT wheels can't go on the 3.9 and 2 because I think of the brakes.
Yeah.
But I shouldn't have no problem.
You got the full piston though, you just got regular.
No, it's focused.
Oh, you should be good then. Yeah. Yo man, it's Kid Vlog 392 here, man. I'm about to head out in Metairie with the group, man. But let's see if I can install the splitter I got. It came in. I showed the other day. But about to see if I can install that, man. I'm about to head out there. You know, so I might go to the car shop on the way. I don't know yet, but because the car really do need a little wash. It's kind of dusty right now, but yeah, man. I'm gonna hit y'all when I get out. Think out real quick, man. Got a little. That thing talking, boy. Made over here, man, by the crew, man. About to try to get the splitter installed, man. Basically just a chill day today, so ain't too much going on today, man. So yeah, stay tuned. To it, man. That's for all of them, huh?
Huh?
That's for all of them, huh?
Uh-huh. All of them got the same, so.
But to pop these old man. These yellow lights
I
on, put
do
the red
them
ones on.
last,
Huh?
cause them there,
Yeah.
that's a bitch. that right there, taking them motherfuckers out right there, that's a bitch.
Man, I just realized he left a little strip right here. I didn't even see that shit.
Yeah. I'm surprised they didn't leave them fucking mats in there.
Man, the city dealership had them.
They had them? Oh.
They had to be.
He told me he was gonna sell them to me, but fuck. When he was asking, man.
Cause Chris said he left them in.
Oh, he didn't. He did this or he did this?
No, he did all that.
I think I should do mine then.
So some shit on Amazon for the carbon fiber. I'm doing all this shit carbon fiber.
Do this,
Yeah.
and this.
Uh-huh.
That should be perfect. But you see, I want to take that fucking tan shit out of my coat. I want all black, just like this. Just like that.
Yeah.
That the people in Baton Rouge, recommend that. That one ain't no good.
So how they looking, man? The front split. What's up, man? Y'all can see I finally got the split installed, man. Also, I got the rear lights in the back. I ain't get them in the front yet because I need another bulb, but yeah, man, it look good, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Let me know how it look, man. I don't know what we about to get into right now, but I'm just chilling for the most part. But what's up with y'all, man? You'll see I made it back to the house, man. I might be going back out in a few hours or so. I don't know yet. But right now I'm just chilling. But I'll let y'all know, update y'all when whatever I do. But about to get the end of this video, man. And yeah, man, y'all stay tuned.